Do what?
Gross.
What? This?
Yeah, the case. Just take the case off. Because it's gross. I don't want to be like, ew, his daughter's gross. His case is all
You're
old.
not gross. I'll be back. Okay, so here we are now. After a week of waiting, my child has decided to bring me her stuff, her phone. I will be changing the screen or adding a screen protector. She broke the last one. And she got a new case. So I said, well, let's kill two birds with one stone. I'll install a tempered glass for iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'll add that new case that she got. We'll do a review and hopefully you guys like it. And let's begin. So this is from Trianium. Sorry I butchered that word. But this is what I really care about. I got this on Amazon for like, I think it was on special for $6, originally $8. I'll leave a description down below. It comes with one of these. It's a guide to put that screen, which makes it so much easier. It comes with 1, 2, and 3 screen protectors. They're all tempered glass. Let's open one up. You can tell they do really save your phone. I mean, if you were to drop your phone, and which I did with my own phone, I hit the corner of my desk and it just shattered to pieces. But a light crack, it'll do the job. There's no such thing as a screen protector that will fully protect your phone 100%. If they do, that's a fake. Whoever's telling you that, it's a ripoff. So there's that, and then we'll open the case once we put the case back on. So what does this say? Warranty. I told my daughter, you know what? I'll do it, but you gotta come out on the video. She says, nope, my voice will not be in the video. Little does she know she's at the beginning. And I said, you know what? You're the star of the show. And she's going off to university in about a couple of weeks. And of course, we'll be going with her. It's her first day. She has her own place. And I'm missing her already, but let's not talk about sad things. So first things first. You have to clean the surface of the iPhone, which is the screen. You know, these things they're super easy to put on.
Wax on, right hand. Wax off, left hand. Wax on, wax off. Breathe into your nose, out the mouth. Wax on, wax off. Don't forget to breathe. Very important. Wax on, wax off.
These are, I get a box at 400 at Walmart. It comes like $5.99 with 100 of these. These things are great. I wear glasses. Yes, I'm blind. Thank you very much. But you know what? I'm like a bat. I'm blind, but I have a hell of a hearing. And I don't regret it. So this is what I use to clean my glasses, but it also cleans everything. Surface, glass, cameras, computer screens, camera screens, you name it, it does it. So now, because my room's full of dust, flying particles, I'm going to turn off my ceiling fan. I should have done that a long time ago. And you align that to the top of the phone. Snaps into place. As you can tell, there's a bunch of lint on it. So they provide this dry wipe. I mean, this thing's so cheap, really. I mean, but what can you expect for $6? Well, $6.99. Okay. So we'll pretend it's wiping it off, and then we'll get some of these things. Dust absorbers. Let's get this lined up. Remove me. So this is a side that goes onto the phone. So once we peel this back, and that's what goes onto the phone. Okay, so here we go. You see all that lint? I don't know if you can tell. Oh, there's something here I don't like it. You see that? There's a scratch on the screen. Before we proceed, we gotta clean it again. And yep, we'll use another one of these. Because even a speck of dust, a scratch, or any imperfection, it will definitely show. So let's make sure that's super clean. Yep. Let's not do half-ass jobs. Gotta make sure we do a good work. So, okay, it seems like it's clean, free of oil and stuff. So now, it dries a little bit. I used the last one I had, so let's dry, a little wipey. See all these lint? Man, where does that come from? I mean, I am so flabbergasted. I mean, I've watched so many videos on how to detect dust particles and is there anything going on and all that beautiful stuff. Damn it, it turned on. I don't want it to turn on. I want to touch that so bad. Okay, it seems like it's free of lint for now. Moment of truth. And this is satisfying. Yep. Oh. It's too much of a perfect fit. Let's turn this off. As you can tell, there's some bubbles, which we could easily get rid of. We just need to find a credit card or something sharp. I use Costco for something good. Oh no. I see it. I don't like it. Sometimes when you see these bubbles, if you lift it up again, yeah, there's lint. Lint. I don't like it. See that? See that piece of lint? A piece of lint. Oh my lord, that's from this thing. Yeah. Take two. Why is this take two? Because, like I said, my room is full of lint and dust and all that crap. And I'm so frustrated. Yes, I am extremely frustrated. I'm hot because I have the AC off. I have the ceiling fan off. And because I need to really have a dust-free area where I can do this. So, good thing we have two more. We'll just tell my child that I did it in one shot. So first, we apply some of this wet wipe. Then we'll try this. We gotta dry it off. Now for the grand finale. Let's get our screen lined up. Our dust absorber, like so. And where we go? Okay, off you go. By the way, this guide is too tight to phone. I mean, it seems like it's bigger than the screen by a millimeter or so. Okay, so. There we go. That is satisfying. Yep. Okay, so now that this is off, we're gonna do one thing. The review, by the way, she's got the 11 Pro Max, that white silver version. I have the black one, mine's a 12. Now for a Mobishi screen, case, comes with happiness when share is doubled. Yes, it's true. A card giving you thanks. Comes in this plasticky case. And this is what she went for. This is what my daughter wanted. It's kind of a military green, clear back. It'll make her iPhone stand out. Because, I mean, this is one of my favorite colors. But you need a clear case to make this stand out. I have never, ever had any of my phones like this, naked. Some people do, but they're all scratched up. And what I don't like about this silver is that moment you touch it, it just scratches. It's really, really ridiculous. So now let's put this on. It's not, it's not a rocket science. So here it is. Let's turn this thing on. See what it looks like. I said, let's turn this thing on. See what it looks like while it's powering up. It's a nice case. It protects. You see, there's a bezel that rises above the cameras, which in turn will protect it. I'm not lying. I mean, I really like the color, man. That looks sweet. I mean, I would compare my phone, but I'm using my phone to record this video. I have my DJI Osmo, but batteries, I have 3 batteries and all 3 of them are dead. So usually that's what I would use to record this video, but I'm using my phone now, which is great. I mean, if you have an iPhone 12, 11, I mean, that's what they're for. But anyways, man, that thing's bright, man. This child's crazy. She's gonna go blind. I mean, look at this thing, man. I mean, Jesus, look. Man, I want to lower this thing, but it won't let me. But yeah, you know what? I like this case. I really do. I'm digging it. Mabosi. I got this on Amazon. Well, she picked it out. She sent me the link. She says, Dad, can you get it? I don't have Prime. And I said, sure, no problem. Send me the link. I bought it for her. And a week later, she brings me her phone. She works a lot and she studies. She's a full-time student, part-time. She put in her 2 weeks notice, so she'll be off of work. Next Tuesday is her last day. And she works at a home improvement place. But today she finally had a chance to come out and spend some time. And I did her phone. Tell me if you guys like this case. I'll put the link in the description. I believe it was $11.99. I mean, don't quote me on that. I think that's what she paid. But yeah, it doesn't feel cheap. Let's see the buttons. Well, you can't really tell because it's on, I don't know her code. I'm not gonna mess with that. But I respect, even though she's my daughter, gotta respect her privacy. Um, I don't know if you click. Let me put it close to the mic. Can you guys hear that? Effortless. I don't have to break my hand to push a button like some other cases. It feels really good. The plastic, see, well, yeah, it's expected. Of course, it's all dirty already. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. If you like what you saw, click like and subscribe so don't miss my shenanigans here on reviews, how-tos, and Fortnite here and there. So have a happy Sunday, stay safe, be kind to one another, and tacky dad, tacky. Maybe I want Takis. Tacky dad, signing out.